Good morning, Mr. Adams. I'd like to go over your schedule for today.
Good morning. Yes, please. What do we have first?
Your day starts with a team meeting at 9 a.m. It will take about 1 hour.
All right. Is everyone attending the meeting?
Yes, all team members confirmed. After that, you have a call with a client at 10:30 a.m.
Is the client call important?
Yes, it is. The client wants to discuss the new project and the delivery timeline.
Okay. Please make sure I have all the documents ready before the call.
Of course, I will send the documents to your email in a few minutes.
Great. What's next on the schedule?
At 12 p.m., you have a short meeting with the finance department.
How long will that meeting be?
It should take about 30 minutes.
Perfect. Do I have time for lunch after that?
Yes, you have a lunch break from 12:30 to 1:30.
Good. Please don't schedule any meetings during lunch.
No problem. In the afternoon, you have a presentation at 2 p.m.
Is the presentation ready?
Almost. I just need your final approval.
I'll review it after lunch.
Great. Finally, you have time to answer emails and review reports at 4 p.m.
That sounds good. Thank you for organizing everything.
You're welcome. Please let me know if you want to make any changes.
Thank you for meeting me today, Mr. Smith.
You are welcome, David. Please sit down. What do you want to talk about?
I want to talk about my work and my salary.
Okay, tell me.
I worked hard this year. I finished all my projects on time. I also helped my team when they needed me.
Yes, I see. You did a good job.
I also learned new skills. This helped me work better and faster.
That is very good. Learning new skills is important.
I think my work and the extra responsibilities I have should be considered for a salary increase. I understand. The company is careful with money, but we can discuss it. I understand. I want to keep working here and help the company.
We like your work. I will check your report and talk to the finance team.
Thank you. I appreciate it.
I will tell you our decision in 1 week.
Thank you for your time and help.
You are welcome, David.
Keep doing good work.
Hi, Anna. Do you have a minute?
Hi, Tom. Yes, of course. How can I help you?
I'm new here, and I need some help with this report.
No problem. What do you need help with?
I don't understand this file. It has many numbers.
Okay, let me look. This part shows the sales for last month.
Oh, I see. I was confused about the dates.
That's okay. It's normal when you are new.
Thank you. Can you also show me how to send it by email?
Sure. First, open your email. Then attach the file.
Should I write a long message?
No, keep it short and clear.
That's good to know. I don't want to make mistakes.
Don't worry, everyone makes mistakes at first.
You're very helpful, Hannah.
I'm happy to help. That's why we work as a team.
I really like the team here.
Me too. If you need help again, just ask me.
I will. Thank you so much.
You're welcome, Tom. Good luck with your work.
Hi. Good morning. Are you Mark?
Yes, I am. Good morning. You must be new here.
Yes, I am. My name is Sarah. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too, Sarah. Welcome to the team.
Thank you. Today is my first day, and I'm a little nervous.
That's normal. Don't worry. Everyone here is friendly.
That's good to hear. How long have you worked here?
I've worked here for 3 years. I'm in the marketing department.
Oh, nice. I'm also in the marketing department.
Great. So we will work together. What is your position?
I'm a junior marketing assistant. What about you?
I'm a marketing coordinator. If you need help, just ask me.
Thank you so much. That's very kind of you.
You're welcome. Where are you from, Sarah?
I'm from Canada. I moved here last month.
Really? That's interesting. Do you like the city so far?
Yes, I like it. People are nice and the office is great.
I'm glad to hear that. Let me show you the office and introduce you to the team.
That would be great. Thank you, Mark. Good morning. Welcome to Bright Solutions. How can I help you today?
Good morning. This is my first time here. I want to know more about your services.
Of course, I'm happy to help. Please have a seat.
Thank you.
First, may I know your name, please?
My name is Adam.
Nice to meet you, Mr. Adam. I'm Sarah.
Nice to meet you too.
Our company offers 3 main services: customer support, digital marketing, and website design.
That sounds good. Can you explain more, please?
Sure. Customer support helps companies talk to their clients by phone and email.
Okay.
Digital marketing helps businesses promote their products online, like on social media.
I see.
Website design means we create simple and modern websites for companies.
That is interesting. Which service is the most popular?
Digital marketing is very popular right now.
How much does it cost?
The price depends on the service and the plan. We have basic and premium plans.
Do you have any brochures?
Yes, of course. Here you are.
Thank you. Can I contact you later?
Yes, you can call us or send an email anytime.
Great. One last question. Do you work from Monday to Friday?
Yes, from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m.
Perfect. Thank you for your help.
You're welcome, Mr. Adam. We're happy to work with you.
Have a nice day.
You too. Goodbye.